Okay, everybody, we are looking at Rev 2, the Student Enlightenment activity, and I'm going to show you how this operates. Now, you're going to be doing the following. For each of these 4 slides, you're going to figure out where the information belongs, okay? So for example, maybe you're looking at number 7. The person wrote about the need for separation of powers. Other writers focus on the need for checks on power between 3 branches. Maybe you think that belongs to Voltaire. You would put it in background for Voltaire. Okay. Now, none of these are necessarily in the right spots. You're going to have to move all of them around to figure out the right spots. Any that have numbers are going to go in either background 1 or background 2. It's just going to tell you information about the person. If they have a letter, like C does, then you're going to put it in under American connection for one of these 3 people. So this information here goes with these 3 people. Now, to get your information, you could have opened this already in Google Classroom, or you can click here and it'll open up this document. This has a few different pages about these different people, and you'll notice I put the page numbers right here. So if you want John Locke, go to 551. So right here, John Locke, 551, top 552. Okay, and it continues on. Voltaire's there. You have Rousseau here, Montesquieu here. So all the information comes from that. So on the first slide, you'll fill in information for these people. Put these back where they go. And so you should have these 9 boxes filled in. The second one, you're going to figure out, based on this information on the top, what quote do you think each of these people might have said? So maybe you think number 11, for whatever reason, is John Locke. You can put it in quote 1 or quote 2. Each person will have 2 quotes. So try that out, see how you do. And if you need help, just talk to a teacher. These 2 here are going to be for 2 other people. It's going to be a little easier because you only have 2 people. And again, 533, 534, if I go to those pages, let's see, 534. Here's 533. Here is our person, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. All right, you can look at the information there. And then you just fill these in, pull them wherever you think they go. All right. And that's it for this part. When you're done, you can ask your teacher to check it. We'll take a look at it and make sure everything's right for you. And then once you're done with that, you can move on to the assignment. And for the assignment, here's what you're doing. For each of the following quotes or pictures, explain whose ideas from the Enlightenment influenced American government and how. Feel free to use information from your Rev 2 Student Enlightenment activity. So you have, for example, this one down here says religious liberty. Okay, so I would go back and I would look at, okay, which of these people did I fill it in talked about religious freedoms? And then I would say, okay, maybe it's Voltaire. He's not even on the sheet, I don't think. I'd put Voltaire for the name. Yeah, let's go with the person that's actually there. Maybe, oh, he is on the sheet. So I could put Voltaire on the sheet, type it there, and then talk about like what specific ideas in our government do we get from Voltaire, and connect what you know and the American connections and all that to answer these questions. So that's it. That's how it works. If you have any questions, talk to your teacher, and hopefully this will work well for you. Have a good day.